everybody, welcome to The Bottom Line. Mike Noland here, working late, trying to put tutorial number 12 together. What I've done is put together a video, the last of our live performance videos that we will be sharing on the channel. And what I've done, instead of taking it into LumaFusion, I've taken it in to iMovie. Tutorial 12 is on its way following this video, and it'll be a continuation on how to edit your YouTube videos, your family videos, your vacation videos in iMovie. But first, a big shout out to all of our new subscribers, 152. I actually met number 152. A big shout out to Daniel. Thanks for subscribing. A bigger thank you to all of our viewers who have been sharing our videos. We are over 13,000 views now. That couldn't have happened without you. And by the way, just an invitation, if you've been watching our videos, you've enjoyed them, you find value, and you've been thinking of subscribing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that top bell notification. You'll be notified of all future videos. Right, so that about covers it in a nutshell. Now on to Chasing the Sound of God.
Hey, thank you. New intro to this piece. Garth told me to tell everybody that if it doesn't work out, blame me. If it does, give him the credit. So here we go. Hold the coats for the angry mob. Basil did the best to crucify me. Did you try your luck? Casting lots in order just to set yourself free from the guilt incurred by an angry debt? Did you choose to just close your eyes? But the past is keeping in hungry step. Keep an eye on the darkening skies. Can't you feel it coming on now? Can't you hear it in the air? Can't you hear it to the sound now? 'Cause the sound of thunder is like no other. You can feel it from your toes to your head. Chasing the sound of God. Stupid little monkey, just see and do. Chasing the sound of God. Shocking little story on the evening news. I wear and the dreams I had bother you a little too much. Wear the too many colors from the front of my back that don't want you to leave lose your touch. Did you strike a match to light the fire as they fastened me to the stake? Just another witch's tear on a heretic. You cried as you laughed in my face. Can't you feel it coming on down? Don't you hear it in the air? I want you listen to the sound now. 'Cause the sound of thunder is like no other. You can feel it from your toes to your head. Chasing the sound of God, stupid little monkey just sing and do. Chasing the sound of God, shocking little story on the evening news. Did you bang on the doors as the rain came down? Don't you lose yourself a free ride? I did you cling by to the highest tree just to catch a quick glimpse inside? So you praised the Lord and you called his name, but he didn't seem to recognize you. You cursed out loud, placed the blame, 'cause monkey only see and monkey only do. Can't you feel it? I'm coming on now. I want you listen to the end. Oh, can't you hear it? Like no other, you can feel it from your toes to your head. Chasing the sound of God, stupid little monkey just see and do. Chasing the sound of God, shocking little story on the evening. I be chasing the sound of God. We're all chasing.